Join me in this tutorial to create this stunning floating on air wedding cake incorporating naked leaves, textured metallic lace where I've created the wired leaves, wired flowers and the detail using the flower garden cutter. You've got a blank canvas to create this stunning wedding cake. So join me in this tutorial as I show you how to make the rice paper flowers where you can have them unwired or you can have them wired, the edible sequins which you can use for the centres, and also lots of tips to create a fabulous wedding cake suitable for any occasion. So join me, Steve Benison, in this summer romance wedding cake tutorial.